Hello guys, review tablet Oscal Pad 8 by Blackview. This version 2GB memory and 32GB Intel memory. Open box, look completion. In completion we have tablet, the rose gold color, protected back cover, and cables. Cable for Type-C cable for charging, OTG cable and adapter for charging. That's all completion. Okay. And now talk about device. On the back side camera LED, on the front side the 8-inch display, this side connectors, dock connector station, this side power key, warm keys, Type-C port and slot for micro SD card and SIM card for LTE. Turn on device. One moment. Okay, we have display 10.1 inch Full HD resolution IPS display, Open Geekbench 5. We have CPU Unisoc SC983033, GPU and resolution display PPA, look results, single core score and multi-core score. Okay, close this and open Antutu benchmark. Look Antutu score. Okay, Antutu score. Close this and open demanded game. Open Rail Racing 3. Look how this game works on the device. Game load. Okay, wait loading and continue. Okay, game load. Works good, without lags and glitches. Good gameplay. Okay, close this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.